Why, hello there, folks. Today I am going to re-review on a PBS Kids show that I like. And that right here, folks, is a picture you see right here, folks, is Nature Cat and his friends. In fact, I am going to do a re-review on one of my favorite shows from PBS Kids, and that's Nature Cat. So, anyways, onward and onward! Tally ho!
Tally ho! Tally ho! We're climbing out the trees now. We're swinging through the breeze now. We're getting muddy knees now. Nature cat! Nature cat, nature cat. Nature cat, nature cat, nature cat. So what are we waiting for? We're so excited to explore all that nature has in store. With nature cat! Tally ho! Tally ho! Favorite nature guide. We just can't wait to get outside. Through the trees now. We're jumping in the leaves now. We're getting muddy knees now.
What's up, guys? This is Jonathan, the Disney fan here, and today, here it is. I am going to do a re-review on Nature Cat. It came in the year of 2015. So basically, what the plot is, you got a house cat named Fred, who is a dreamer of the great outdoors. And once his family leaves for the day, Fred becomes Nature Cat, and with the help of his animal friends, he embarks on action-packed adventures that allow him to explore the natural world. And his friends are Hal, Daisy, and Squeaks, and they teach kids about nature and all that stuff. And that's basically what the plot is for the entire show. Guys, what do I think about this show? Well, I have some things about it to say. This is a really great show. It's one of my favorite shows ever, and it's one of the only PBS Kids shows that I like, along with Arthur and Sesame Street. First, let's talk about the animation. The animation for this show is great. It is fantastic. Oh my gosh. I've never seen an animation so cool as this. I mean, this one has one of the greatest animation ever. And it's very colorful as well. And the way they move and all that stuff is it's just spectacular. The director who made this, which is Adam Rudman, David Rudman, and Todd Hannert, they did so good with this show. The way they teach kids about nature and life and all those stuff is just very inspiring, and everything about this show, every single episode just inspires me. The way they teach about the great outdoors, nature, life, all those kinds of things. It's very inspirational and it's very clever. And the adventures that they go on are just wonderful. Now let's talk about the character. Yeah, I really liked the episodes, but we'll get to what was my favorite one so far in later on. So, because now I'm gonna talk about the characters. Okay, I want to talk about Nature Cat himself. He is such a great character. At first, he appears as Fred, but when his family leaves, he turns into Nature Cat, and he teaches kids about nature, life, and the great outdoors and animals and all that stuff. It's and I really like his catchphrase. One of them is "Tally ho!" and the other one is "Onward and Onward." And at times, he can be very funny. When it comes to waters, he gets petrified and he says, "Water. Why does it have to be water?" And it comes out as very funny the way he says it. Oh my god. He's such a great, inspiring, and also a funny character. And he's really good at about teaching kids about nature. I mean, Nature Cat is such a great character. Daisy Daisy uses her smartphone and she's very intelligent, and she she uses the smartphone using and providing supplementary information when investigating nature. And her role is to act as the voice of reason, but nevertheless, she mostly cooperative as the rest when venturing with Nature Cat. And Daisy's such a sweet and intelligent character. Daisy's such a sweet character. Squeaks is the smallest one, but she is probably like the most excited one, and she isn't afraid of anything as well. Like like she's not afraid to get down and dirty and all that stuff. And and she's a very sweet character, and she's voiced by Squeaks is voiced by Kate McKinnon, and yeah, Squeaks is a great character, and she's also brave, and she's she's wonderful. Squeaks, I have to say, she's a wonderful character. My favorite one is Hal the dog. Hal is such a cute character throughout the entire show. He's so adorable. Especially when Hal goes, TD! That's really cute. And when he, and with his toy, Mr. Chewinski, that's the, that's, he has a cute toy too. And he's characterized as being so happy and very loyal to his friends. Most of all for Nature Cat. And he's always willing to partake in Nature Cat's outdoor excursions and shares discovery if he initially doesn't understand. And he's generally absent minded and becoming a source of comic relief where he may respond to others with non sequiturs or muddled reasoning, though out loud. He can also become blissfully unaware of when he is taken up a dangerous situation. So, like, there's this one episode where he got lost in the city. Yeah. And his capabilities as a playful dog is portrayed him as being a character that's uninhibited in approaching messy or unpleasant situations, such as digging in the ground or smelling strong, stinky odors. And this comes much to a benefit of others, and he is utilized in digging holes or locating the environment by smell. And he has a cute toy chewing inanimate chewing toy named Mr. Chewinski. Yeah, his toy is cute. And him too. He's the cutest character ever, Hal. Yeah. Talon Cullum, Bobby Moynihan, Kate McKinnon, and Kate McCutcheon, they all are fantastic for their roles. And they're great for it fits perfectly for their characters. I really like the music as well. I thought the music is upbeat too. And the theme song, yes, the theme song is also pretty catchy too. I do like the theme song too. And do you want to know what's my favorite episode throughout the entire show? My favorite episode throughout the entire show is when Hal becomes the Worm Whisperer. And they look for worms, but Nature Cat is just scared of worms. That's my favorite episode throughout the entire show. Oh my god. Such a fantastic, wonderful, and otherwise enjoyable episode that I've ever seen. Although Nature Cat was scared of worms, the way that Hal became the Worm Whisperer was amazing. Everything about this show is just inspiring, and it teaches kids about nature, and it's a really inspiring and a wonderful show. And it's one of the only PBS Kids shows that I like besides Arthur and Sesame Street. But if you are a user and if you hate this show, I'm fine with your opinion. Everyone else has different opinions, so if you don't like it, that's okay. I'm fine with your opinion. And the music, sorry guys. The music is just fantastic. It has one of the greatest songs ever. So yeah, everything about it is just really good. So besides the positive, is there anything negative I have to say about it? Not really, no. So for my final rating for Nature Cat, I'm gonna give this show a 7 out of 7. Outstanding show. And there you go. That was my re-review on Nature Cat. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to me. This is Jonathan, the Disney fan, here once again. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. And I'll see you guys later.